Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be, I'm showing you all my fidget toys. If you aren't interested in this video, then you do not have to watch it, but whoever stays until the end, thank you so much, and hopefully it won't be a super long video. This is also for my friend that videos will not send to her on message, so I'm sending this to YouTube and she will see it. So yeah, because she wants to see all my fidgets. And if you guys do too, then stay until the end. Like, subscribe, and put on notifications in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Did you do it? If you did, comment down below. And yeah, I hope you all had an amazing day and have a great rest of the day. Let's get right into this video. First, let's show my stress balls. This stress ball is really nice. It's a unicornito. I love it so much. And if you're wondering, I got this from Books A Million. This is a Orbeez shark stress ball. I got this from the dollar store. This I call Shaggy Globble because it's kind of like a huge globble with shaggies. I also got this from a dollar store. And I just call this a water glitz. I also got this from the dollar store. One of my eyeball stress balls, I also got this from the dollar store. Also, I just said where I got those from, but all my stuff I got from Amazon, Books A Million, Target, Walmart, Dollar Store, and Dirty Pines. And some from my friends. So yeah, if there's anything specific from my collection that you want to know, just comment down below and I'll tell you. Now let's get back into the video. These globbles, green, white, and blue, teeny Nito, this shark, cat Nito, cat Nito. This is pink in real life. If it looks red or orange for you on the camera. And this Nito cat. This mesh ball. This mesh ball. This was a mesh ball like that, but no net. Slime-filled stress ball, color-changing Nito, also the same Nito, but like not the same, color-changing Nito, slime-filled stress ball, Nito, foam bead frog, glitter water stress ball, shaggy Nito, and last but not least, glow-in-the-dark Nito. That's all my stress balls. Comment down below which one's your favorite. Sorry that the camera is kind of blurry. Now I'm going to show all my dimples. This butterfly dimple. This dimple, this dimple spinner, this dimple, this dimple, this dimple spinner, this huge dimple spinner, this dimple spinner, simple dimple, and dimple spinner. Let me organize this. Dimples, dimple spinners, and simple dimples. Which one of the dimples are your favorite? Comment down below. Also, sorry that the comments don't work on every video. If they don't, go to a different video because I check my comments often, like a lot. So yeah. Also, if you want a shout out, I really will just give shout outs. I don't really care. So yeah, comment down below if you want a shout out for no reason at all. If you just want to shout out, that's okay. Okay. And now, so this video isn't way too long. I will do the poppets next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and put on notifications if you want. Have a great day. Stay crazy, stay sweet. Bye!